So right now, let's just open the door. Come on guys, let's get inside the elevator. Finally, we're here from that long car drive. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I need to go take a nap right now. Dad, be humble. Joelle, did you put sunscreen on that you're playing in the water already? Yeah, I put it on before I left. I think you're supposed to put it on when you're at the beach, but whatever. I'll let you get a sunburn with that. Let me just spray myself. Okay, let me just change my shoes. And I took off my bracelet, so like, yeah. Let me just put sunscreen on me, and I'll pick up everything and put them in my bag. Okay, I'm done using the sunscreen. Guys, I saw an ice cream sale nearby. Maybe we can go get some ice cream during our vacation here. Why we can't get ice cream now? No, you guys actually have to play in the water first. Like Joelle. Now let me just use my phone because I'm at bored. Oh my god, that face looks so funny, right, Joelle? Exactly. This is why you should wear sunscreen. What are you guys talking about? Oh my god, this boy. Why did I marry someone as dumb as him? Get up! What did I do? You got a sunburn. Oh, I might have forgot to put on sunscreen. You might have? It looked like you did. Now go get that sunscreen and put it on you. Okay, now since I wear my sunscreen, let me just play this game. I'm gonna win, Evelyn, because I'm older. Dad, think twice. I am younger. I have more energy. Plus, you suck. No one's losing right now. This ice cream tastes so good. Y'all should try. I like how they gave us like our favorite fruits by the side. Joelle didn't get fruits. Okay, he's the youngest. Plus, he eats his fruits when I tell him to. Meanwhile, you're just eating like cake or something. Guys, let's go on water skiing or whatever it's called. Are you sure about that, honey? It sounds very dangerous. Come on, you haven't gone in the water all day today. You know what? I'm good. I'm staying out of this. Joelle, you coming with me? No, I want to go with Dad that side. He actually have fun ideas today. I know, right, Joelle? This time he's not boring. Whatever. Oh, this is so scary to watch. Hopefully none of them drown. They're in the deep ends. Oh my god, yay. This is so fun. I don't know what Mom was talking about. Anya, your mom is such a scaredy cat. Dad, I think we should go back now. Mom looks like she's about to pass out. Bye, Lever Gang. See y'all next time.